Warning label. And what is it? For everyone, sorry. Yeah, question for everyone.
Anyone who would like to answer first?
Ako siguro, I'll say first. Ngayon kasi very current yung mga kabataan finding their own identities, usually sa social media. They struggle in finding their voice, and sometimes it leads to tragedy. And for me, for this film, they will see themselves there, and maaalala nila yung kanilang pinagkalingan, lahat the struggles of finding their voice, finding their identity. And for me, that's kind of a trigger thing. And I hope it doesn't mess up with their mental state, because our objective is to really help them find the strength, to find their voice, even at the expense of sometimes disobeying your family. But that's the point of freedom naman, and the point of real love. So I guess for me, that's the trigger alert, I think.
Warning label, so you will find yourself.
I would say it's question authority. If it's coming from anywhere, whether it's your parents or any other authorities, because what you're looking for is to find yourself, find your happiness.
You will find yourself, you will find your happiness.
Totoo yung sinabi mo eh, no? Once you find yourself, you will find also happiness. No? Totoo siya. Ano ba? Siguro, sasabi ko siguro, especially now with our toxic, situation right now, no? Especially with the government and whatever. Parang somehow for me, we're being manipulated by social media, no? Somehow, there's so much disadvantages, and it's somehow getting to the abuse part of using these social media platforms. So somehow, we should go back to the things that we used to be doing like before, compared to at present. Especially AI, ang daming nagkakaproblema sa AI ngayon. Photos, videos, pwede mo siyang dayain. So hindi mo na alam kung ano yung totoo. Which is, it's not a normal life in this normal world. Diba? Kaya, for me, somehow, they could impose AI siguro sa piling mga bagay na lang. Not in everything, not in all aspects. Yun na po.
Thank you.
Ako na raw. Kung tama po ako, ang hinihingi mo is a warning label.
Yeah, warning label.
Sa akin, ang magiging warning label ko is beware. Violence can be internal.
Agree. Agree naman po sa trailer. Thank you so much.
Ganda na dito.
For me, siguro yung strong labels is about the separation of family. I remember when I read the script, and then Direct Matt told me about the film, this story, and about the family, the relationship between father-daughter or mother-daughter. It's somehow loving, but it's painful all at once. So it's all complicated na sana sa lahat ng family na siguro makaka-relate dito sa story nito, na sana magkaroon ng love, loyalty, and faith to each other.
Thank you so much, ma'am.